am SpektorBaal. I'm a Gothic musician, also an occultist, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the Infernal Divine. But before we continue with the video, consider subscribing, click on that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is available, and be sure to click on that like button to let YouTube know that we exist. Also, follow me on TikTok. Demonology for beginners. How to contact an infernal divine being, and who to contact. Well, every practitioner is going to have a different method, and eventually you will have your own method. But you need a place to start. You need a place to have an idea of what to do. First, try to listen to yourself. And I mean really listen. Who do you feel close to? Who do you feel like you want to speak to? Who you want to get to know? Moloch? Asmodeus? Raum? Or maybe Lilith? Whatever your heart desires on who you want to contact is who you should be concentrating on. But you might ask yourself, there are many, many demons. Who to contact? Who is the easiest to contact? Well, that depends. Demons have free will. And if they wish not to speak to you, they won't. If your intentions are pure, you have a really good chance that the demon you want to contact will contact you. Maybe the demon has already been trying to contact you, but you have not noticed. Sometimes the infernal divine beings we want to contact have always been there. But you want to make sure that you work on your astral abilities, on your psychic abilities, so you could tell when they are there. That's very important. It's very important to listen to your intuition too. And try to feel the environment around you. They might show you some cues that they are there, like you lighting a candle and it's flickering a very strange way and there's no wind in the room. That could be a cue that the spirit is trying to contact you. What's important to understand when doing this type of work is you really, really want to practice on your abilities, on your astral abilities, on opening your third eye, on the environment, on contacting the energy, feeling the energy. Why? Because there are things in the astral that are parasitic, and they could act as the deity, but it really isn't the deity. It's not the pure form. Just as this bone that I hold in my hand, it is the husk or the shell with residue of that spirit, not the true essence of the infernal divine being you're trying to contact. So be sure to take the time to help yourself by practicing your gifts, opening your third eye, practicing your psychic abilities. You can learn these types of tools. Now, let's get to the fun part. How do you contact the infernal divine being you're trying to contact? Well, first, you get a candle. Simple, you get a candle. And you get some incense. Now, dragon's blood works for everyone, so try not to overthink. Now, what candle? A black candle does wonderfully. If you don't even have a black candle, you could use tea lights. Yes, I have used tea lights before. And get a sigil of the infernal divine entity you are trying to contact. And if there isn't any sigil of that divine entity, just know the name of the being you are trying to contact. It's all in the mind. It's all trying to put the time and energy of contacting that spirit. Now, when you are trying to contact that spirit, don't expect anything. Just give your attention and time to that spirit. So let's say you contacted the spirit. How do you know that the spirit has come? Well, you might hear faint messages in the mind. You might hear things in the mind. Faint. It might sound like your voice, but it might be saying words that you usually do not say. Or it might be a different voice. Or it might be a mixture between your voice and something else. You really need to be aware of your psychic abilities and train these abilities, especially your third eye and the energy in the environment. Well, let's say that the infernal divine being came. What to do next? Thank it. Get to know the being that you are contacting. Don't take too long in the conversation. Keep it short. And thank the spirit for coming. And close the ritual. Now, if you feel unsafe before doing any of this type of work, you can create a circle. A circle does help because it puts a point of focus when you are contacting the divine spirit. You in the circle, not the divine spirit. And eventually, when you get used to the energy of that divine spirit, that infernal divine spirit, you do not need a circle anymore. It's just to put you in the state of mind that you know that you will be fine when you are contacting the infernal divine being that you are contacting. Hope this helps you out, and I will see you in the next video.